it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a fall makeup look and it is the first one of the season of many to come. I absolutely love everything about fall, ranging from pumpkin spice everything to cozy clothes and cold weather. So if you guys are interested in learning how I created this fall cranberry look, then please keep on watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe, and then I set my eyes with some Morphe concealer and and the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. Now I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with this mustard color. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's like a mustard color. And I'm taking it on a Morphe M513 brush and just going directly into the crease. Okay, now I'm taking the Morphe 35M Mood palette, Boss Mood palette. That's me. Just kidding. This shade right here. Don't know exactly what it's called, but it's like a cranberry shade. And I'm picking this up on a Sigma eye shading brush, E55. I'm just gonna put this all on my lid. Actually, I'm just gonna use my finger. And I'm trying to keep this shade as low as possible because I don't want it to go like too far up. Together, I'm gonna take a small blending brush and just combine them together so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm gonna go back in with that cranberry shade and just lift it up a little bit. And this is the Morphe M506. Now I'm gonna take the same mustard color, this one right here, and just blend it out a little bit more. Can you believe that this is my first fall look? I'm so excited. I absolutely love fall. I want it to get cold already. That's the only thing that's missing. I just love the cold weather and wearing comfy clothes, watching a movie and having like candles and stuff. It's just so relaxing. And it's interesting because they announced that Halloween was canceled, but now they're saying it's okay, but it's not recommended, no parties. I'm just excited to watch Halloween movies, get in the spirit of the holidays. Love watching Christmas movies, all that good stuff. I'm gonna go back in with that yellow and blend it out. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and do a wing now. Just to wing it out, give it a little something something. I'm going to use Hank & Henry's Slick With It Blackety Black Long Liquid Wear Liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera. I'm also gonna add some lashes just to save some time for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did apply Lily lashes off camera. I used the Style Miami. I also primed my face with the Beauty Blender Pore Filling Primer. For foundation, I'm going to mix Estee Lauder and It Cosmetics CC Cream. In the Estee Lauder Double Wear, it's in the shade Bone, and It Cosmetics is in the shade Fairlight. I feel like this shade is way too pale for me, so I'm gonna also go in with Infallible. For concealer, I'm just gonna go in with Morphe C165. I just really like this concealer. I hope everybody's doing okay during quarantine. Everybody's staying sane. You know, it's kind of hard sometimes. I know for me anyways, it's kind of hard sometimes because I'm like all by myself all day. But, you know, I've been really trying to stay productive. And just doing makeup and working out and, you know, trying to get fit because I feel like I definitely gained some weight during quarantine. I'd say like around 8 to 10 pounds. So I'm like, dude, I'm trying to drop that before my birthday. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to look fine for my birthday. So just know, like, if you're feeling a little down, you're not the only one. A lot of people are. Like, quarantine is no joke and can make you feel really low. But just try and stay productive. Like, go hang out with friends, go hang out with family if you have family here. Yeah, that's my best advice. And work out. Let's warm her up. So for setting powder, I'm gonna go in with that same Laura Mercier, the honey shade. I'm gonna go in with this Kat Von D brush. It's like a double-ended brush. I hope everybody is also staying safe during all these fires that are going on. They're all the way, I'm from Washington, so they're all the way from California to Washington to Oregon. It's just so crazy right now. And anybody who lives in the LA area knows that it's been very gloomy lately because of the fires. It's just so crazy. Everything that's going on in 2020 right now. It's just like, bring it on. What else could happen? What more could happen, you know? Like, what more? Mother Nature's pissed at us. Freaking COVID. But I still have my health, so I'm still grateful for that. And my family is like good, same as my friends, everybody's good, so I can only be grateful for that. Now that my face is nice and set, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer and bronze myself up, because I don't know why, but on camera I look extra pasty, but that's not how it looks in person, I promise. So for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my GLAM bronze from Morphe in the shade Megastar. On Morphe M530 brush. Warm my ass up. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be going in with Morphe. I'm going to be using Provocative and MUA. A trick that I like to also do is if I use too much blush, I'll use the original side that I have the product on, but then I'll flip it over if I feel like I put too much on and then just blend it out. So that's a trick I do sometimes because I know I go heavy on the blush sometimes. Like right there. Perfect example, Bree. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. one that has a combination. So it's a baked highlighter and blush, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I'm gonna take this on a BH Cosmetics 5 brush. One of these days I want to try and do a matte look, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably going to do it for one of my fall ones just because I want to switch it up and see what it looks like without wearing highlighter, because sometimes when I do my makeup and I don't have highlighter on, I'm like, damn, that looks really good. I'm gonna have to try it. Moving on, I still need to do my lower lash line. For that, just because the red, there was so much fallout, I'm gonna go ahead and put some Laura Mercier under my eyes. That way, if I spill any eyeshadow, I can just wipe it away and I won't have it mess up my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna look a little crazy for a little bit, but hey, it's temporary, okay? For the most part. Y'all know I'm a Scorpio. Actually, maybe you didn't know. I'm a Scorpio, FYI. Yeah, you probably do know. I've worn a Scorpio necklace. What am I talking about? Anyways, this mustard yellow shade, smoke it out with a pencil brush. All right, now for the next shade, I'm gonna go back in with that Cranberry on a Morphe M432. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with that same Morphe palette and I'm gonna dive into this black shade right here, and I'm gonna put that actually in my waterline. Now that I have the lower lash line done, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off that bake. For a setting spray, I'm gonna be going in with NYX. Lastly, we have the lips. And because I have so much going on my eyes, I feel like I just need to tone it down with the lips. I'm gonna be going in with Milani's lip pencil, and this is in the shade 03 Nude. So for gloss, I'm going to be going in with NYX's Butter Gloss, and this is in the shade Madeline. Juicy juice. Yes, Madeline. I see you, girl. Please let me know if you enjoyed this fall cranberry look. And if you did, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to your girl Bree Marie so you can see her again and some more fall looks. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you enjoyed this tutorial, Ow. It's all over, my eyes are already watering. Ooh, that tickles. Okay. Just kidding. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.